Wouldn't it be cool if you could design your next business or side hustle idea completely with AI? Well, as it turns out, you can. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning logos, complete websites, business cards, and basically any kind of graphic you'd ever need for your next entrepreneurial venture. And that's because I'll be showcasing Design.com, an AI-powered platform that's designed to turn your next business idea into reality. And so stick around because this Design.com tutorial is sharing exactly how this platform works, its main features, and who should be using it. Plus, throughout this video, I'm going to share some pretty unique and fun use cases that you can use to actually make money online with Design.com. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Let's get to it. So really quickly, guys, what exactly is Design.com all about? Well, like I mentioned, Design.com is an AI design platform that is honestly like having a professional graphics design team working for you 24/7. Honestly, this platform is packed with features, and it's really designed to help side hustlers, creators, and entrepreneurs build assets that help them power their business. And guys, at this point, I have played around with dozens of AI design tools, AI website builders, a bunch of similar products, and Design.com honestly has a ton of useful features and some really cool functionality that makes it stand out from the competition, which is one of the reasons I wanted to make a video about them. And so today I'm going to show you guys how to launch your next business idea or side hustle step by step by using Design.com. So grab some popcorn, buckle up, and let's get to it. And so to get started, you can head over to Design.com and sign up for free with your email. I'll also be linking Design.com down below in the description box and pinned comment for you guys to check them out. But again, signing up takes like 30 seconds. Now, once you sign up, there are tons of different tools and features you can begin exploring, but I want to show you guys how to make a logo first because this really highlights how powerful Design.com is, and it's a great way for you to start your next business venture or side hustle. And so once you sign up for Design.com, creating your brand new logo is honestly as simple as typing in your business name and then getting Design.com to generate a bunch of logos for you. Now, I'm currently building a new YouTube agency that I plan on launching soon. So this is what I'm going to start building with Design.com in this tutorial so you guys can follow along and do the same thing for your own business. Once I enter my business name, YouTube Growth Engine, Design.com's AI generates dozens of potential logos in seconds for me to choose from. Now, guys, already in the past, you would have had to pay like $50 to $200 or even more for someone to do this for you as a freelancer. And this would also take days, and you can now do it in minutes and for a fraction of the price by using Design.com, which I love to see. Now, there's tons of cool logos that you get out of the gate, but what I love is that you can easily tweak logos and designs just by using Design.com's AI chat feature. All you need to do is enter text prompts to describe the changes you want. For example, I like this purplish YouTube Growth Engine logo, but I want to lighten the palette just a little bit, and so that's exactly what I tell Design.com to do. What's also amazing is that you can tell Design.com to add or remove elements, which isn't something I've seen work too well in most AI-powered design tools. But for this logo, I spent a bit of time playing around with Design.com. I told it to underline certain sections. I played around with some of the graphics in the logo, and you can see that it turned out pretty nicely. Again, all of this is super simple to do. It just relies on basic prompting. And if you ever make a mistake or there's something you don't like, you can just hit the undo button. You can also add your own text, icons, elements, and move things around easily in the designer. And when you're happy with your logo, just hit the download button. Now, once you do this, you're going to get prompted to sign up for Design.com. So let me explain how this works really quickly. Currently, Design.com has 3 plans: Starter, Value, and Premium. Starter costs as low as $5 per month when you pay annually, and this gets you the logo you want plus 50 plus other awesome design tools, which I'll cover in just a minute. Now, personally, I'm going with the value plan here because it unlocks a lot of other tools I want to use, including an AI website builder, which I think is definitely worth going for and has a ton of value with Design.com. So that's the plan I'm choosing. But yeah, once you pick your plan, you complete a short onboarding flow, and then you're ready to use your new logo and also start building other awesome assets for your new business. And so to showcase just how versatile Design.com is, I'm going to head over to the Create New Design section and start playing around, and I'll show you guys just what this platform can do. Honestly, this section is where a lot of the magic starts to happen, and as you can see from my dashboard here, Design.com lets you create all sorts of designs, including ones for business cards, Instagram posts, email signatures, Facebook banners, presentations, posters, and more. You name it, you can probably start building it with Design.com in a matter of minutes. Again, this thing is packed with features. Now, for the next step here, I'm actually going to make a business card because I think every business owner should have a business card, even if it's a little old school. And I'm actually attending a few conferences and YouTube events this year that I'm going to want to give people my business cards at, so it makes sense to have. Now, as you can see, there's tons of pre-existing designs, and once you pick one, it's super easy to customize the text so it matches your name, phone number, and business. Templates marked as AI also have content like icons, shapes, images, and text to match your industry. So again, out of the gate, your business card looks pretty good. You can also tweak positioning, fonts, and also add a backside to your business card and play around with the designs pretty easily. Now, what's also cool is that Design.com lets you make virtual business cards as well. This is actually a growing trend, and more often I'm attending conferences and people just pull up a business card on their phone and get me to scan a QR code, and Design.com lets you make these as well, which is super handy. That said, you can still have your business cards printed, and Design.com will have them shipped to you so you can have the best of both worlds. But again, this is just one design and one example, and there are genuinely thousands of other things you can start creating with Design.com. And Design.com has a lot of useful search filters here. For example, I can search for designs in social media to see a list of potential designs I can start making. And this is great because now I can quickly make new logos and profile photos for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other platforms where I'll be launching my new social accounts for my new agency. And guys, this alone saves so much time because everything is formatted correctly, it's the right size, it's the right resolution, and again, you're going to be saving money because you don't have to hire a freelancer to do all of this for you. What's also nice is that the colors from your logo are automatically inherited into the new designs you make. So you can keep designs on brand without every design looking different or requiring tweaking to be consistent. Again, I encourage you guys to spend some time exploring Design.com, play around with all of the different designs because there is so much stuff that you can make. Now, what I also think is cool about Design.com is that it actually lets you build a new website as well for the business or side hustle you're launching. And again, this is super important because these days, if you're starting a business or some kind of venture, you need people to be able to find you, and people find businesses online, not in the phone book. So you definitely need a website for your new business. And what I really like here is that you can search for keywords to match the kind of website you want. For example, if I search for agency, I get a bunch of design options that are perfect for this kind of boutique digital marketing agency vibe that I'm going for. To start with, I'm going to pick a coming soon homepage that lets people subscribe to receive updates for when my business fully launches. And again, it's super easy to tweak text, fonts, colors, and the overall layout to match what you're going for. And this is such a fast and simple way to turn your vision to life and to get your first website up and running. I also like that Design.com does a very good job at making your website look good on desktop and mobile, so again, you don't have to worry about device compatibility issues. What I also like is that when you're ready to publish your brand new website, Design.com gives you 3 different options. Firstly, you can publish under a free brand.site domain. You can also publish with a custom domain name, or you can connect an existing domain name that you already own. Now, when you're actually ready to launch your business, I definitely recommend buying a domain name and launching with your own domain. It just looks a lot more professional and polished. So again, it's worth the investment. That said, I do like that you can still launch your new website with a free domain name just to kind of play around, see how it looks, and maybe do a bit of proof of concept testing for your new business. Now, those are some of the main tools and features I'm going to be using with Design.com to help launch this new agency, but honestly, this AI-powered design platform has tons of other features and tools I want to highlight really quickly. I mean, there's actually over 1 million designs for you to choose from, if you can believe it or not, so here are a few of the other ones that caught my attention. For example, with Design.com, you can actually create your own unique link in bio pages, which is awesome if you're a content creator or affiliate marketer, and I'm going to be using this feature as well, without a doubt. There's also a t-shirt design maker, which is super useful for making merch or company gear, but it's also a valuable tool you can use to make money with print on demand, which I've covered on this channel before. There's a presentation maker as well, which is great for pitching clients or for internal team use. And there's even things like designing menus and more niche designs that could be great for small business owners. Again, there are so many designs on this platform, so you can explore, you can start finding different assets you want to build to help power your new business. On top of that, there's also some pretty neat editing tools or other tools you can use if you're kind of feeling a bit stuck and you need help with some inspiration. For example, Design.com has various business and side hustle name generators which can help you if you're feeling stuck with branding. There's also some pretty cool editing tools like an AI-powered background remover tool, so again, Design.com has tons of functionality for you guys to check out. Again, this platform is packed with features, and this is one of the things I love about AI and how it can actually help people launch new businesses or try out new side hustle ventures without taking weeks or months and without spending a fortune. Guys, this is one of the best ways you can start using AI to actually make a difference in your life, which is something I love. But just a quick note on actually turning your dreams into reality here, and another thing I should mention quickly about Design.com. I should mention that the designs you're making are 100% okay to use commercially, so you can launch a business with this, you're not going to get in trouble, and you're not going to get copyright infringements or any issues like that. You can also opt in for exclusive logo use as well, so other businesses out there won't be able to have the same design as your logo. So again, you keep things unique and safe to use commercially. And this is important because the last thing you want is to use some free sketchy tool out there, build logos, build a website, build these web assets, and then 6 months later you get a cease and desist because you're violating someone's copyright. You're not going to have that issue with Design.com. But anyways, guys, how much does Design.com cost? Let's talk about pricing really quickly. I know I covered it really briefly, but I'll touch on it once more. Like I said, Design.com starts as low as $5 per month when you pay annually and go for the starter plan. Now, I went for the value plan and paid annually, which cost me $72. And honestly, paying $72 for an AI-powered design tool that's going to handle all of my logos, website assets, social media graphics, and even things like my business cards is a no-brainer in my book. On top of that, the amount of time you save by leveraging AI, the amount of money you save, the headaches you avoid by working with freelancers, I definitely am a fan of Design.com and think the cost works out really, really well. And that kind of brings me to my last point and how I want to wrap up this video, which is the question, who should be using Design.com? And really there are a couple of use cases here where I think this tool stands out and is worth trying. And the first, of course, is anyone launching a business. Design.com can honestly help you create new logos, new websites, new assets you need to go live, again, much faster and much cheaper than relying on freelancer help. I think the second use case would be anyone who is looking to revamp an existing business. Maybe you have a website, maybe you have business cards, maybe you have different design assets, but perhaps they're a bit outdated and you're looking for a bit of a facelift. Design.com can certainly help you out. And the third category would be anyone working in social media marketing or some kind of agency. I think the number of designs and assets you can build with this platform is just awesome. So I definitely recommend using it for that as well. And finally, the fourth option would be print-on-demand sellers. Like I mentioned, Design.com can help you make all kinds of cool graphics for t-shirts and other merchandise, so I think it's worth checking out if you make money with print-on-demand. But anyways, guys, I hope this Design.com review and tutorial helps you decide if this AI-powered design platform is right for you. Like I said, I think any business owner, side hustler, entrepreneur, content creator, etc. can get a ton of value with this platform, and I actually had quite a bit of fun building out some assets myself for my new YouTube agency. I think you guys will like it as well. You can let me know in the comments what you think about Design.com as well, and I'll be linking them down below as well if you want to check them out while helping to support the channel. But yeah, that really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.